Cowboy cooking video. To the store, and I got some what they call country style ribs. It's basically a half a Boston butt sliced up, I believe. And as soon as my partner in crime gets here, we're going to put some of that Dana Red blackened seasoning on them. Bingo. This stuff here, no way in shape or form a sponsor, but I like this on fish, chicken, pork, beef. So we're going to put some of this on, then we're going to barbecue them too. The way I do it is I'll put the seasoned side down. Then I'll hit them with some more seasoning on the other side. They got a bone in them. We'll grill them up a little bit, and then we're going to start painting on some bottled store-bought barbecue sauce. You can use whatever you like. We'll be using Sweet Baby Ray's. Sweet and spicy. And again, they're no way a sponsor or nothing. This is just what we're cooking. We're going to eat this tonight. This wood's a blend of ash and black walnut, for those that are interested and don't know. I like this fire pit slash grill I got now because I like the fact that you can move this around and take it off the fire. Like in our other video where we made the 6-pound hamburger. One giant beef patty, hamburger on a bun. It was just three and a half pounds of hamburger plus the pound and a half of the roll weighed and everything. So look for that at the end of this video. I'll leave you a link for that video. If it gets too hot or flames up, you can move it and then swing it back. See how that's flaming up on those little two pieces in the middle? You can swing it out. Smoke's blowing in my face. I gotta move over here. Now, I do this way because it's more sanitary than touching half-cooked or raw meat and then putting it in a bottle or in a bowl or wasting it. Or you can't even use it on the table afterwards, I wouldn't think. I wouldn't anyway. This way, this is always sanitary in the bottle. Nope, that was the wrong way. I gotta flip that one. How that happened. Sauce is supposed to be down. That looks better. What's great about this is you can see right now how that fire with that fresh wood's getting out of hand. My food's not there and I don't have to scoop it all off. I can just move it off to the side here. And then I can put it on and off. Slide it over just a little bit. Put that hot spot under the two on the right side here on my right. This fire is a little hotter than what I'd like it to be. But that's some big hunks of wood. I put big wood on because I wanted it to burn for a while tonight so we can sit out here and stuff. Just trying to keep these back away from the fire, folks. It's a little hot over that way. I mean, don't kid yourself, that's still hot, a lot of heat coming up where that meat is. It's just not right over this fire. Give them another dose of sauce here. I didn't have time to hit record again, guys. It flamed up in the back where they were setting. I had to quick move them. It would have burned if I'd had to run over there and put the camera back on. Give that a little bit, stiffen up that sauce. This should be done pretty soon. Boy, do they smell great. Oh my God, they smell good. So I hope this inspires you guys to do something like this at home. Don't be afraid. You can always call and order pizza if you mess it up. Cook with my country ribs tonight. Maybe I'll make some of that Memorial Day salad. At the end of the video, I'll leave a link around here someplace that you can find for that video if you didn't see it. Ooh, Campfire Cowboy baked beans would go good with this, and a hunk of cornbread too. Did you see that video yet? If you didn't see that video, you gotta go watch that video. That's the world's best cornbread. Look at those ribs. They're getting pretty close to being done. My assistant went inside to get me a platter. While I'm waiting on a knife and a fork to sample that, clean this off a little bit. More heat on it. That's awesome. That's awesome. Very delicious, moist, tender. As always, I hope this inspires you to get out in your yard or park or cook something. Campground, wherever you decide. I just love this outdoor Campfire Cowboy cooking stuff. As always, please like, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for all notifications. And you'll be notified when we drop another video. Until next time. Time to head into the cabin maybe and take a nap now.